today's video, we're going to look at how you can add contributors to your Squarespace website. So there's a number of reasons why you might want to do this. Perhaps you're working with a website designer. Maybe you have team members and you want to delegate certain website tasks to them. Perhaps you want to allow for guest posting on your website. Or maybe you're transitioning out of your business and you want to be able to transfer ownership over. Whatever your reason, Squarespace make it really easy to add or remove contributors and also change the permissions contributors have access to. So let's head on over to the computer and I'll show you how it's done. To add a contributor to your website, you just go to Settings, Permissions, and you'll see here we have two options. One is to invite a contributor, the second is to add a basic author. So basic author is if you want to have other people contribute to your blog posts on your website. So you would click here, you would just add their image, give them a display name which will appear next to their content, first name, last name, add their email address, put in their bio, and just hit save. And that's only going to give them access to write in blog posts or articles on your website. To invite someone to become a contributor, you click the Invite Contributor button, you add their name, their email address, and then here you can adjust their permissions. So admin, they basically have access to everything, but you can change and control this based on that person's responsibilities. So you would just click these toggles on or off, and then once you're done, hit the big invite button. Then they will receive an email inviting them to become a contributor to their website, and once they accept that invitation, they will then have access to do whatever you have set the permissions to. If at any point you want to change a contributor's permissions, you just click on their name, and again, you can just click this off and adjust the toggles accordingly. If you want to transfer ownership, you have to make sure that the contributor is first an admin of the website, and then it's just a case of hitting transfer ownership. You will be asked to verify your password. You'll just click this toggle down, select the contributor you want to transfer ownership to, hit continue, confirm, and they will then be sent an email confirming that transfer process. Now this little toggle down at the bottom that says let non-admins purchase assets, that's if you're purchasing Getty images. So you can turn this on or off depending on your preference. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this valuable. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below. And let me know one question I can help you with regard to your Squarespace website. I'd love to hear from you. Hey, if you like this video, there's a good chance you'll also like this one.